Today we delve into the intricate relationship between media and crime, a topic that profoundly influences our perceptions of safety, justice, and societal norms. We chose this topic because media doesn't just report on crime, it actively shapes our understanding of it. This influence extends across traditional news outlets, political narratives, and the vast realm of social media. Media portrayal of law enforcement significantly impacts the public perception of the criminal justice system. Firstly, hero versus corrupt officer narratives, in which media often oscillates between depicting police as heroes or highlighting instances of misconduct. This dichotomy influences public trust and perceptions of legitimacy. Secondly, impact of body camera footage. The release of body cam videos provides transparency but also raises concerns about privacy and the potential misinterpretation of videos without proper context. Effect on public behavior. Studies have shown that negative publicity surrounding police actions can lead to decreased community cooperation and reluctance to report crimes, thereby affecting overall public safety. Reporting is often intertwined with political agendas, shaping public opinion and policy. First comes tough on crime rhetoric, where politicians may use media to promote stringent crime policies, influencing public sentiment and legislative priorities. Second comes election year emphasis, where crime rates often become focal points during elections, with candidates leveraging statistics to support their platforms, sometimes leading to skewed public perceptions. Lastly comes media bias, where the portrayal of suspects can vary based on racial and socio-economic factors, leading to disparities in public empathy and public responses. For instance, media coverage has often been criticized for humanizing white suspects while marginalizing others. Media platforms have transformed the landscape of crime reporting and public engagement. Hashtags and viral posts can bring attention to specific cases, influencing public opinion and sometimes prompting official action. Social media can lead to public identification and harassment of alleged suspects, raising ethical and legal concerns. Unverified information can quickly circulate, leading to misconceptions and unjust outcomes. The popularity of true crime stories on social media and streaming platforms has real-world implications affecting public perceptions and even legal proceedings. In conclusion, the media's portrayal of crime is a powerful force that shapes public perception, influences policy, and affects individual lives. As consumers, it's crucial to engage critically with media content, recognizing biases. Thank you for joining this exploration of media and crime. Stay informed and think critically.